Hello class. In today's class we are going to understand exercise 1.5, and in that exercise we have to understand a very common thing like round off to nearest 10. What is rounding off? We have to understand what is rounding off. Rounding off means like number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We know that we have total numbers 10. We have 10 total numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have divided the numbers into category. The 0 to 4 and 5 to 10. 5 numbers in this category and 5 in this category. So if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then there is no change in rounding off. Further we will discuss in the question. But if we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, then we have to add 1 in the number. We have to add 1, we have to round off. We have to round off to nearest, round off the number to nearest 10, 100, 1000. Whatever is said in the question, we have to do according to the question. So rounding off the number to the nearest 10. So 28. Last number is nearest 10. 10th digit. Once it's 1st digit and it's a 10th digit. Round off to nearest 10. So 10th digit is 2 and the nearest digit of 10 is 8. So according to 8, we have to change the number. Like if we have 8, 8 is in the category of this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to add 1. Add 1 in the previous number, 10th digit. So we have to add 1 in 2. We have to write down 3 and 0 at the place of 8. It's a little bit tricky thing, but we can understand by doing many more questions. So next number is 5, and the other number is 7. Once place the 7th category in this, we have to add 1 in the 10th place digit. Then 6 and 0 at the place of 1. In this question, 1's place is 3 and 10th place is our 8. Then we have to round off at to the nearest tens. So 5, 8, 7, 2, then 8 and 3. 3 is in the category of this. So there is no change at the 10th place. So no change in the 10th place. So 8 will become 8 and 3 will become 0. So nearest 10. The round off of 87283 is 87,280. Next question is 96,834. 4 will come in the category of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no change on the 10th place. So there is 3 and that is 0. So 96,830 is our answer. So but in question number 2 we have to round off up to 100. So 1's place is 10th place and it is 100th place. It's 1's place and 10th place is 100th place. So we have to round off according to the 100th place. So 100th place is 7. 7. The other number, the number ahead of 7 is 9. So 9 is in the category of this. So we have to add 1 in the 7. So 7 becomes 8 and the other two numbers become 0. Round up to nearest 100. Then in this category 2, 1's, 10's, 100's, nearest 100. We have to convert 8. 8 and the other number again 2, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 have no change. Then again 0. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Fifth, 3, 0, 6. We have to write down 5. So 5 in the place of 5, and after that 1 is coming on tens place. So there is no change in 5. 5, 0, 0. Then this ones, tens, hundred. There is no change in 2. Change, no change. Plus 1 in 2. So 4, comma 1, 2, 3, 0, because the number on tens place is 8, and 8 is came in the category of 5, 6, 7, 8, and round up to nearest 10, 100 or 1000 we have to add 1. So that's all. Now the third question is round off to number to the nearest 1000. So ones place and tens place, 100 place and the 1000 place. We have to convert it down or round it to the nearest 1000. So we have to see the number 3. Number 3 is on the 1000 place. Afterward, number 3. Number 3 is in the category of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no change. So 3000 is this. Then 5126. Then 5. Then 3, 0. 41,803. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. The 1001 and the other number, the 100 place number is 8. So 42,000. After that 14, 7, 6 or 7, 9 and 6. 14,796. 14 becomes 15 and 3, 0. So in our next question we have to round off to nearest 10. Approximation also means round off. So first question is 369. We have to see the tens place. Tens place is 6, and on the ones place there is number 9. So we have to round off, and that round off become 3, 6 plus 1, 7 and 0. Afterwards 893. 893. So on the tens place there is 9, and on ones place there is 3. So there is no change. 8, 9 and 0. On ones place is 2, or on tens place is 7. Then there is no change. 7, 0. On ones place is 5, and on tens place is 8. Then 2, 4, 5. There is no change. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a change. 8 and 8 will become 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 0. 5 on the tens place, ones place. 1 place 4, so there is no change. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 0. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. On the ones place 3, so there is no change. 7, 8, 9, 1, 2 and then 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ones place there is 4, so there is no change. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0. The no change means the last digit number will become 0. As we can see in the no change of the numbers. So that's all for question number 4. We will do question number 6. Question number 6, what's it? Rohit. So Rohit hobby is stamp collection. He has 5,345 stamps. Now we have to round off to the nearest 1000. So Rohit hobby stamp collection. He has stamp. So Rohit has stamps in all is equal to 5,345. Again, round off to nearest 1000. So rounding off what will become 5,345 after rounding off ones place, tens place, 100th place, then 1000 place. We have to round off according to the 1000 place. The 100 place is 3. So there is no change. 5 will become 5. No change in 5. So after the numbers will become 0. So the round of stems Rohit have is equal to 5000 stems. Answer our is 5000 stems. So last question of the exercise, question number 6, and obviously last for the chapter also. The Gagan is arranging a party for 251 guests for his son's birthday. He needs estimate quantity of food to be ordered. For how many people should he order food if he want to round off to the nearest 100? Estimation means round off, of which this exercise is related to. So number of guests is equal to 251 guests, and we have to round it off to the nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100. Now rounding off. How rounding off? 251. What will become 251? It's a ones place, it's tens place, in 100 place. 100 place, we have to see 100 place, and on the tens place there is 5. So if there is 5, we have to add 1 on the 100 place. 3 and 2 0. So Gagan have to order food for 300 people. Gagan have to order food for 300 pupils. Okay student, that's all for this chapter. If you have any problem regarding to this chapter, you can ask me in comments, and can DM me also. I will give my number in the description. So that's all for this chapter. Thank you class.